Today I want to talk to you about student loan repayment strategies. Now that the pause is over on student debt repayments, it's time to figure out how to make those payments once again. Think like the smart person you are. Do not let the feelings of anger or aggravation get in the way of clear thinking and strategizing. Admit where you are, start where you are. No matter what course of action you take, the first thing is to know the state of your flocks. What do I mean by that? If you were a farmer, you would need to know exactly how many cows, chickens, pigs, and goats you have. Why? That is how farmers make money. If you're a person with an outstanding student debt, you need to know the state of your money. Let's get to it, shall we? Get your electronic device, or pencil, paper, and calculator, and start listing all the monies you receive every month. Call this list A. Next, list every debt you owe. Call this list B. Total each list, then subtract the total from B from the total from A. The result is what we can strategize with. Next, let's strategize with the results of your calculation. If your calculation produces a negative number, this answer may sound harsh, but it's simple. Find a way to bring in more money fast. There are employers out there who are operating short-staffed. Go get a job that is close to home. Even if you take that job just until a better opportunity presents itself, you can do it. The paycheck from this job gets applied to your current deficit, nothing else. If your calculation produces a positive number, we have something to work with. This does not mean that you are out of the woods yet. It just means that we have a basis from which to start some calculations. Ask yourself this question: what am I willing to give up to clean up my financial situation? For the sake of simplicity, we're going to say there are two kinds of debt. Promissory note debt. You promise the lender, in writing, that you would pay back a certain amount of money in a certain amount of time. Examples include mortgage or rent payments, student loans, car loans, credit card balances, etc. Non-promissory debt. These are amounts that you have control over. Examples include grocery money, gasoline to get to work, restaurants, entertainment, and shopping for clothes and nice-to-haves. I remember when we dropped our home warranty, appliance protection plan, and cable TV, just to mention a few. One year, when people asked us what we wanted for Christmas, we said, a grocery gift card. Pride never paid a bill at our house. Next, let's make our move. Gather the family together. Take your non-promissory debt and cut it to the bone. Eliminate everything you don't need. Debt does not have to last forever. Pause and think. The more I sacrifice now, the sooner and better my financial condition will be. These sacrifices are short-term. You can do this. In wrapping this up, let me say this. If you want free help and encouragement, just go to budgetingessentials.com, click on classes, then click free to download your free workshop. It's easy peasy. Again, this class is free. If you want some deep dive, step-by-step help, go to budgetingessentials.com, click on classes, then click paid for a single payment, forever yours program with no subscription plan. When you're done, you can teach this to your kids. Additional strategies for you. Severely limit your use of credit cards unless it is a dire emergency. This includes buy now, pay later plans. Do not get a consolidation loan. They are not free or effective. Stop making minimum payments. Hint, I talk about this in the free workshop. Eat at home. No more fast food or eating out. Good recipes are abundant online. Reduce other debt. For example, if you drive a BMW with expensive monthly payments to work, sell the BMW for more than you owe and pick up a used inexpensive vehicle. Eliminate non-essential items such as cable TV, coffee shops, nightclubs, shopping malls, etc. Turn your vacations into staycations. As you can see, this is not an all-inclusive list. However, if you're reading this, you are smart and resourceful. These strategies will get you headed in the right direction. The sooner you start applying these strategies, the sooner you will be done paying that student loan. Pause and consider. Here's where you can find us. Our website is budgetingessentials.com. That is budgetingessentials.com. Our YouTube channel is https://youtube.com/@dansmoneyhelp @DansMoneyhelp. Our mission is to help you learn how to spend money wisely in your personal life and in your small business life. If you know someone who would benefit from this help, please send them to our website. Thank you for listening and referring us to people you love and care about.